Alright guys, simple process. This is a 2016 Chevy Silverado. The lower bulb on the driver's side was blowed on the taillight, so I bought some LEDs online for it. 4 bulbs, half the price. 2 new ones at the local parts store. And if you can make it out, it's raining. Pick the worst possible time to be doing this, but it's these guys called antline. But makes a difference. I'll show you how to replace them. It's simple. I've done the one on the left already. You can see how much brighter it is compared to the passenger side there on the right. Big difference. And so I'll show you how to do it. It's super simple. And like I was saying, the bulbs are like, you get 4 in a pack. Those 4 in the pack are cheaper than the 2 in the pack you get at your local hardware store, parts store, for a good set anyway. So you got 2 screws. You do not want to drop these, but you got upper screw, lower screw, then your tail light's loose. So we'll get that out real quick. It's a T15 start bit, and trust me, you don't want to drop these. And as soon as we get this done, I'll show you why. The luck I've been having out here in the rain doing this anyway. We'll get you over here where you can see the tail light, and I ain't blocking it, but it's super simple to do. Plug and play, I guess, basically is the way to put it. So all you have is 2 screws. Lens comes out. Give it a little wiggle wiggle. Got 2 rubber grommets in there. It helps hold it in place. You can see there. They kind of lock in place up here on the side of the bed. Grab your upper plug. There we go. A little twist. A little twist. So it leaves your backup light still in there holding. Keep your lens from dropping. Here's what your bulbs will look like. Probably should have picked a better day for this, but full LED all the way around, even on the ends. Keep those in my pocket here for a second. These bulbs are still good, so I'll stick these in the glove box just in case. Well, I got 2 good ones here, 1 good one from the other side. Throw them in the glove box just in case you have one of these go out. Just plug straight in. Put it back in your lens. Turn it to the right, locks in place. Here's your lower one. There. The wind's picking up. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it's supposed to storm like crazy. There we go. Right in place. So you remember you got these 2 right here. They go in these 2 holes. You guys probably can't see them, but just make sure those are lined up. Put the tail light in there. Without breaking it. There it is. Okay. Now, a little more. Perfecto. Get our screws in. Make sure, I recommend doing this by hand with the screwdriver type. And if you're using cordless, have your setting. I forgot to change my setting, and I'll show you the bit I had. Thankfully, it didn't screw anything else up. Almost. So there we go. Let's back it up and see what we got. Now, let's see. Zoomed out. Yeah, get you where you can see both sides. It is a simple process. Boom. Nice and bright. I don't know how well you guys can tell on there, but man, they are a ton brighter than the factory. They're cheap, and I'll show you the only problem I ran into was when I done the driver's side. I actually had to take my tailgate off to get this screw back. Get this unhooked. This screw, upper screw, driver's side, took it off, dropped it, and it dropped straight down into the tailgate right there. And the only way I could get that back out, because it kept sliding in, everything that could possibly hang on to it, it was catching. So the only way I could get it off was to pop the cable on each side there, take the tailgate off, you know, move it to slant back and forth, fight with it, and then it came off, or came out. Put it all back together and make sure you got your settings adjusted on your drill. That it used to be a T15, and so it's not hard to do. It was just, you know, me being in a hurry. It's raining and it's cold, but yeah, that's it. So saying, here's the part number if you guys are interested. Found them on Amazon, and that company carries everything. The next purchase will probably be the backup lights, and I've had to get it fixed. Like I was saying, so we're going up to get the Hydro Boost system for the square body, or it's a full-size Blazer square body. That's our project that we're currently working on. It's a 1-ton swap, and then we're going up to get the Hydro Boost system for the brakes. It's a 2-hour drive each way, so get this out of the way. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. And it's simple, cheap. If you got a bulb out, it's time to get on the website. AutoZone, Advance, all of them. Those regular standard bulbs aren't cheap, which is these here. So much cheaper to get them online. But I went with the LED because I'm telling you, it's like 24 bucks or something like that for a 4-pack, and they're super bright. So thanks for watching. If you do it, good luck. There's nothing to it. So I'm saying you only got 2 screws. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.